I first met Stephanie after she'd been referred to me by a friend, a close friend who had worked with her also and had wonderful things to say about her. And we hit it off just as she was recommended. Working with Stephanie, she made it so easy. She was very available to us, answered all of our questions, and really was just so pleasant to work with. We had just an amazing experience. In terms of marketing our home, the pictures came out beautiful, even better than we realized. We had done everything with everything that we already had. I really believe that the marketing helped us to sell the home. The offer process, it was a really difficult time of year to sell, but Stephanie really did everything to help us with that. Even when we were going through the negotiations, she helped to talk through the whole process. I really felt very informed in our decision. It worked out so well. The whole process, it was all in one place, very easy to access all the different points, making it just so easy for us. The qualities that we really found in Stephanie, and we couldn't recommend more, is just how wonderful she was to work with, and just having a personal touch with everything that we did. She just made us feel so comfortable through the process. So if you're buying or selling in Parkland, you definitely want to call Stephanie. She's just been so wonderful to work with. You'll have a beautiful experience.